In this video today, what I'm going to be talking about is how people treat you. So let me give you guys an example. There are some times when you try to help people and you give and you give and you give from your heart, right? And the other side takes advantage. And when you don't give them what they want, they start to blame you and start to say, I thought you were my friend, you're this, you're that. They start to put you down. But you cannot let people step all over you and continue to do it and think it's okay, because it's unacceptable. You have to put your foot down. Especially if you know that you're going out of your way, you're helping, but that other side is not receiving it in any kind of way or appreciating it in any kind of way. Listen, if you're going through that right now and you're struggling with that, my best advice is, and this is something that I practice, and I try to help, right? I'll meet somebody halfway. I will extend my hand, but I will not carry you on my back. I'm too old. I'm too old to be carrying people on my back. If I can do it, you can do it. I know some people need a little bit of help. I'm not saying not to help them, but sometimes people take kindness for weakness, and some people take the help out of proportion. Literally take it out of proportion, and you're like, wait a minute, I'm doing more than what they're doing. I don't think that's okay, and it's not okay. It is not okay. So, with that being said, what you need to do is put your foot down. Hey, it could be with an employer. It could be if an employer is stepping all over you and doing, and you're afraid to lose your job, the right thing to do. And I'm in a right to work state where they don't need a reason to fire you. They could just not like the way you dress or smell or look and fire you. They don't need a reason. But at the same token, we deserve our respect as human beings. And sometimes we got to let those other people know that it's not okay what they're doing. It's not okay in a respectable manner. Say, you know what you do, when you do this, it makes me feel like this. Can we come into an agreement? Please don't do that anymore it make me feel uncomfortable. Please. You know, sometimes we have it with our loved ones, our fiance, our kids, you know. But if you don't speak up, people are going to continue to do whatever it is that they're doing and think it's okay. So what are you going to do? How are you going to step up? Huh? So that's a thought. Because a lot of people always go through through that a lot. And they ask me, what do you think I should do? And it's like, well, my best, and they don't like when I tell them that, but you got to put your foot down. Hey, people they're gonna try to push the pencil as far as they can, for as long as they can, if you don't say anything. So my best advice is that when they start to do it, you stop them right there and then. If they don't like it and they don't stop, then maybe it's time for you to move on. Maybe it's time for you to let them know, like, hey, you know what? I guess this is not stopping, so I got to go another way. I got to go another route. I got to do something different. I can't continue to do this because it's not okay. So with that being said, you guys take a look at what's going on in your life. And if there's anybody stepping all over you, don't let them step all over you. Bye!